Never up, never down, never.
I was feeling under the weather the week after Christmas, so I'm just now getting around to taking down all of my decorations, and I put up a few things here and there for Valentine's Day. Some of it just got left behind because, to be honest, it was red. My plan is to remove all the Christmas decor from every room in the house and pile it here on the kitchen counter. So I gotta clean the kitchen first.
Oh, what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
I don't remember if I cleaned this mantle before I put up these decorations, but once I took down the garland, I could see all of the dust and debris, and of course, being fake garland, it still loses the little needles. There was so much of it, I had to go get out the vacuum to vacuum it up before I could actually dust and clean it. Also, it would have been so much easier to use my cordless vacuum, but it's not working at the moment. I've ordered some parts to hopefully fix it because that vacuum wasn't cheap, and I think a $500 vacuum should last longer than 2 years. I keep trying to use this Love Meg spray to clean all of the surfaces in my house because she claims it's an all-purpose cleaner and it's great for every surface, but I have found that it's really not. I've tried using such a small amount like she does to get it to work, but I can't. I can't get on board with this cleaner. I mean, I've used it for other purposes like cleaning my cabinets, the front of my cabinets. I've used it for cleaning spots out of my carpet, and I do have to say it's great for that because when my dog puked on the carpet, it left behind a nice smell and cleaned up the stain from the puke. But for cleaning glass surfaces, my granite surfaces, anything that you can see or feel like there's like a little residue, it makes it kind of greasy. I'm not really sure how to describe it, but if you've used this product, then maybe you know, or I don't know, maybe I'm not using it correctly, but I've tried over and over again to use it, and I'm giving up. I'm not using it on any of my glass, granite, or wood surfaces anymore.
Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more talking to you, and here we go again. Staying.
I know you just heard me say I was giving up on that Love Meg spray, but what I meant was just kidding. I really am giving up on it, but it was after this video, after this day of cleaning, because as you'll see here, I did start to use it, but then very quickly realized this is not working. So I went and got the tried and true Method all-purpose spray, which I love, and I sprayed that on all of my glass surfaces for the rest of the day.
Say you think about it too, when the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in.
If you've been around longer than a week and this is not your first video, you will see here I got a new coffee table for Christmas, which I absolutely love, love, love. It almost matches my dining room table perfectly, but I really wanted to kind of get rid of the ottoman because, I don't know, I just wanted to get rid of it. No reason.
So brave and so stupid, just like the movies.
I realized when I was editing this video that I didn't really have any Valentine's decor. My intent was to remove all the Christmas decor and just put up like red stuff and pink stuff for Valentine's Day, but I don't really have any. So I had bought these red pillow covers that are the same as the gray ones. I'll link them in the description box below because they really are really super good quality and I love them. But I got these red ones for Christmas because the pillows that I had on the couch were not really like a true red, and I really wanted the red. So I got these for Christmas, but then ended up not using them because they didn't match the other pillows. And I didn't want to go through taking them all off, and I don't know. It's a big hassle putting these pillow covers on all these pillows. So I didn't want to not use the red ones until next year because I just got them. So I just decided I'm going to incorporate them into my Valentine's Day decor. But I don't have any Valentine's Day decor except for these pillows. Whenever I decorated for Christmas, I took all of my normal decor that's out all year long and I put it in my Christmas boxes for storage. So I'm just taking everything out of these Christmas boxes now and putting it back where it belongs. But some of it I actually forgot where it goes, and I had to move things around a couple times because it just didn't look right or it didn't feel right wherever it was. But I finally got it right and put everything where I think I remembered it goes. But you know, it was like 3 months ago. I don't remember.
I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry, 'cause I got a million reasons to keep...
I'm setting out all of my ornament boxes so that I can be organized, and whenever I take everything off of the tree, I take it off one color at a time. So all of the red is in a box, all the pink is in a box, all the blue is in a box, green, etc., etc. And then all of the miscellaneous ornaments that are like multicolored or don't fall into the color category of one of my boxes, all of those go into another box. Oh, there's that Stone Cold Steve Austin ornament. Man, that thing's gonna get lost one day. Hopefully.
Demons, one too many times. They taught me lows are what makes you feel so high. No matter how far my mind would wander, I'd always dare it to go even farther. 'Cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got...
All of these presents that you see leaning up against my couch here are for the little girl that I watch and her mom, but they couldn't come for at least 10 days after Christmas because I was sick between Christmas and New Year's, so I couldn't have any visitors and I couldn't exchange presents with them. So we finally got that taken care of last week, and I no longer have Christmas presents leaning up against the back of my couch.
I believe it,
Now that all of my Christmas decor is piled on top of the kitchen counter, it's time to play Jenga and fit all of that stuff into these 2 boxes. This vacuum seal bag is from Dollar Tree. I think it comes in a pack of 2, so they're not really $1 anymore. They'd be $1.25 because of their new price increase, but definitely worth $1.25. They work really well, and I have never had any issues with them coming unsealed or anything like that. So if you are in the need for some vacuum seal bags, definitely go to Dollar Tree and check them out.
We're almost there. I'm loving this feeling of something new. Just right what I needed. Take me there. We can drive away. Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go. A gentle breeze, the night's got a fever, to the moon and back, playing loud in the speakers. You and me, can I marry you right away? Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio.
If you've stuck around to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much. It really and truly helps my channel a lot when you watch my video to the end. It also helps when you hit like. It lets YouTube know that you like this video and will send it to other people who also hopefully like this video. If you like this type of content, please hit subscribe, and I will see you next week.